This is a common problem I see. If you have this type of a spool with the big thick cardboard centers and a great big hole in the middle, the problem is when this sets down on the thread tray in the bottom, the thread hangs on the bottom side of the spool. So it's a good idea to prop that up. I'll show you an easy way to prop this up. So here's the little trick that will help you with those types of spools. Tear a paper towel into half and then fold it in half. Take a piece of tape, put it on the end. Take your pin and roll this half of a paper towel up on that pin. Helps if you can roll it straight. And that's what you should be left with. This is basically just a spacer. Trim the ends so that they're flush. Okay, that's your spacer that holds this up, and I'll show you here in just a second. So if you look down underneath, the bottom of the spool now is not sitting on the bottom of the thread tray, and so you wind up with thread coming off of the spool evenly with no additional drag. If you don't have the spacer in, what happens is as this thread gets down underneath here, this spool sitting on the bottom of this thread tray, it winds up trapping the thread. Every time that traps the thread, you're going to get an excessive tension, which is always going to show up on your seam. So to eliminate that, all you have to do is put this little spacer in there, and you can make them out of a paper towel. Really quick, really easy. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you leave a comment, I try to answer all the comments. If you have a question about your sewing machine or technique, I'm happy to help. Thanks again. Have a good day.